Hi, this is Dave with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today we're going to be doing a 12-inch round, and it's going to be much the same as the ghost swipe I did, but this time I'm going to try for a different type of secondary swipe. I'm going to try to make it look a little bit like a flame. Same colors as last time, but let me go through them for you. This first color is called Pinot Gris, and it's a TLP color. You see the consistency there. So Pinot Gris, Shimmer, Macaw, and Twinkle are the first four colors that are going down. These are all TLP interference colors. And each color, I'll explain a little bit more as we go on. Pinot Gris is a green interference color. Shimmer is more of a gold and opalesque. Don't know how else to explain it. But each one of these have their own flashback color that you get with them. And what I'm trying for here is to get a color shift, to create a stained glass feel behind the picture. And this is my background. So this is a lot of work for a background, but I think you'll see that it is worth it when the final product comes up. I did one not too long ago, and I so much like the effect of it, I decided to try it again with a larger swipe. It's very random. There is no method or madness to this. It's just getting the coverage on the canvas. Although some of it's going to spin off, I definitely want to see that color shift. Macaw has a blue-green shift to it, and I'm going to get lots of this down because it has more than one color, and depending on which way the light's hitting it, it'll show that color. This is Twinkle. Twinkle has a ultraviolet feel. It's a violet color that comes back at you. And again, it also has a gold involved with it. Almost all of these have some amount of gold. The mica is the amazing thing about it. Okay. These are Sequins, Ball Gown, Comet, and Velvet. Sequins is also kind of a shift on the the violet, and but it's different. So each one of these have their own effect. Again, just drizzling it on. Okay, next color. This is going to be Sequins. If anything gets away from you here, don't worry about it. It will be down in the description below, along with places where you can find anything that I work with. So don't panic, it'll be there. Drizzling. It's kind of the fun of this. Okay, next color is Comet. Comet has a red shift to it. You can almost see it there. All of it looks white, but when the light hits it correctly, you'll see that it has lots and lots of color. If you have any questions or comments, I'd invite you to leave them down in the comment section below. I try to answer everything, and I really do enjoy hearing from y'all. Next color is Velvet. Velvet's probably my favorite interference color. It has a blue shift to it, and it is pretty amazing. all of these colors, frankly, look better on dark surface, dark backgrounds. So I've got another one that's going to be coming up here soon that's around with a dark background. You can see what I'm talking about. I've coated the back of my swiping tool here with my titanium white cell activator. That is mixed with 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. Now this cell activator is actually a little bit thicker than I usually use, but I wanted to make sure that my cells held up, so I made it just a tad bit thicker. And doing it again, just adding a little bit of cell activator to a place that I didn't think got enough. The trick to the cell activator is actually to make sure that you don't put too much pressure. You want to lay the activator across the back, or across the top, excuse me, without going down into the pillow paint or the colors. It's kind of a trick. Okay, putting a little bit more of my white cell activator on my smaller swiping tool. I'm going to pull out my black, lamp black cell activator, mix this exactly the same way, and for a little bit of contrast, I'm going to layer contrasting colors, layers coming up. This is Hot Cinnamon, Inferno by TLP, Techno by TLP, and Iridescent Gold by Amsterdam. Okay, the Inferno's going down first. Now this is all going on the back of the swiping tool. Next is Hot Cinnamon. This is a ColorArte pigment, and it will take over if you use too much of it, but it's actually one of my favorite reds. Iridescent Gold is next. And last is Techno. Techno is part of This Little Piggy Goes to the Disco, along with Inferno. And they're both fluorescent colors and extremely bright. Okay, flip this over and swipe. Right now trying to decide which direction I'm going to go. And here we go. Still a lot of paint on the back of that. I could decide to go ahead and do another swipe with it. What I'm trying for here, at least the intent, was to create a set of flames. Process now and get several swipes here, and I'm going to shut up for a while and let you watch. I think after this spin we're going to be about done. And it's time for the flyover. I want you to notice the cells on this really did stand up, so I think the idea of keeping my cell activator just a little thicker did work. If you found this video today useful, I'd invite you to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and ring the bell for notifications of videos that I'll be putting out. It's my goal to put out at least 2 per week, and I'm hoping that you're finding useful and hopefully enjoyable. I want to thank you very much for being here today. Hope you have a great day. Bye now.